We're going to get our own cold weather here this weekend as well, as we are anticipating much colder weather once again for your Saturday. Here's a live look outside right now. It is cold out there. Current temperatures are brutal. 22 degrees here in the Metro Memphis area, 12 degrees up in Dyersburg, and around 18 degrees over in Corinth. What does it feel like outside? It feels even colder than that. And we're not the only ones that are really dealing with this really brutally cold weather. In fact, as we wake up tomorrow morning, most of the United States really going to be well below average. This is a really strong system that's continuing to push off to the east. That's why you're hearing so many weather-related deaths, unfortunately, because it's just so cold. And this cold weather will be continuing at least until Sunday. As we take a look at your wind chill advisory, this is going to be in place until at least Saturday. Tonight's going to be a very cold night, into the teens for most people here in the Mid-South. Make sure that you are trying to stay as warm as possible. Hey, check this out. This is from our North Mississippi storm chasers and spotters. They got this video earlier today in Prentiss County. Some of those roads really still are not the best. As you can see here, this is a rural road. This is at, I think, State Route 45. You can see two cars have a really close call there. Some of those cars are just moving way too fast in that ice. You need to make sure that you are taking it slow. It could be icy out there with our temperatures still being well below freezing. Black ice will continue to be an issue for us until at least Sunday. In the morning, when you wake up, everyone in Memphis and around the Mid-South has to go grocery shopping. We're all out of groceries. Get prepared to be warm because it's going to be cold. 10 a.m., 16 degrees, plenty of sunshine, which is good. That's going to allow us to see a lot of snow melt throughout the day. But unfortunately, our temperatures are going to continue to stay below freezing. 21 degrees here in the Metro Memphis area, around 24 down in Oxford. But like I said, even though we are going to be cold again, at least there will be some sunshine to really help with some of that snow melt. As we get into Sunday, we'll be around 33 degrees for your high, and every day past Sunday, we'll start to get a little bit warmer. And that brings up our big picture forecast for this week, and it's a wet one for sure. Here's a look at our future cast. As you go into your hour by hour, it looks like Monday night we could be seeing some rainfall here in the Mid-South. Rainfall could be possible almost every single day next week. And as you take a look at Wednesday, it looks like we could have a few rounds of possible strong to severe thunderstorms because Wednesday's highs are going to be above our average of around 51 degrees. The wet weather will be continuing even as we head into next weekend. So we are anticipating really high rainfall totals here in the Mid-South. And unfortunately, that really could cause some flooding concerns. We've gotten at least 5 to 6 inches of snow in some places. Some places even saw 7 inches. And you can see we're looking at almost 4 inches of rain for next week. That's not including the snow melt at all. So definitely have to make sure that we're watching out for some possible flooding concerns. The rainfall is coming with some above average temperatures. Looks like by the time we wrap up January, our temperatures will continue to stay above our average of 51. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. It will be cold and sunny for your Saturday. Temperatures on the rise as we head into the beginning of next week. Rain showers are possible. Richard, we're expecting some really heavy rainfall as we head into Thursday and Friday of next week.
The good with the bad, it looks like. All right.